Okay, next. Pisces naman. Anong highlight ng mga Pisces this 2025? Tungkol saan ang highlight ng 2025 ng mga Pisces? Talaga naman, no, dalawang lumabas. Di ba yung Pisces, ang sign nila, dalawang fish na intertwine. Okay, so Knight of Wands and the Empress. Ang meaning nito is, maganda pa, mukhang positive naman ang reading ng Pisces. Highlight ng 2025 nyo is about energy, passion, inspired action, adventure, movement, pagiging fearless, sexy, impulsiveness, charming, unpredictable. Fun kayo this 2025. And medyo, para kayong, since Empress, nakaupo lang kayo sa throne ninyo. You will tap in more into your femininity. Okay? Kasi yung Knight of Wands, masculine energy siya, pero Knight lang siya eh. So, hindi ganun ka-extreme ang excitement, chill lang. Okay? Pero magta-tap in kayo more into your femininity. Abundance, nurturing, fertility, femininity, good parenting, development, accomplishment, growth, evolution, action. So, medyo lang kayo. Mas more on go with the flow kayo ngayon. Nasa throne kayo. Maganda-ganda ha. Kasi yung dalawang nauna ay more on healing. Kayo parang medyo magre-reap kayo ng rewards. Hayaan nyo ang universe to work for you this time. Okay, any additional reading or card, message, spirits? Baka surprise, ayaw sabihin. Ayun lang, medyo may conflict or competition lang kayo, 5 of Wands, sa money, 7 of Pentacles. So, focus on your long-term view, yung mga hard work nyo, okay, yung mga rewards nyo, parang may competition lang, siguro may conflict, delay, or may mga strife, may tension, may rivalry. If you're looking at your finances, so, anong dapat gawin ng mga Pisces to overcome those challenges? Parang hard work talaga, diligence, ayan o, 8 of Pentacles. Talent, skill, positive potential. Kailangan yung i-master ang finances. Okay? Don't be too stingy. Huwag naman din na sobrang giving. Okay? Walang easy money. Dapat talaga ayusin ang finances. Pero all in all, parang positive naman. Okay? I hope this helps, guys.